Once upon a time, Lord Gautam Buddha was sitting with his disciples and teaching to them. Then he told his disciples, anger is the biggest enemy of everyone. The person who is angry not only hurt himself but also harms others. He burned in the fire of revenge and ruined his life. After his teaching was over, one of his disciples stand up and say to him, you are a hypocrite. Your words are uncooperative to the way of life of men. You do not follow what you say in your life and tells others to do it all. When his disciple was saying these things to Gautam Buddha did not react and he was sitting silent. But in such a situation, the person became even more angry and his anger he split on the mouth of Buddha. Even after his Mahatma Buddha did not get angry and he was calm. He wiped the spit from his face and he said quickly. Seeing all this, the disciple did not understand what he would do. Enraged, he left that place and went to his house the next day. By that time he reached his home, his mind has calmed down. At the end, he realized that he had made a big mistake. He has sinned. He began to say himself in his mind, what I have done? I have insulted Buddha. How can I commit such a sin? I made a big mistake. I had to go and apologize to him. Saying this, he immediately went to the Gautam Buddha, but Gautam Buddha was not at that place. In such a situation, his disciples wandered from place to place and started searching for him. As soon as he got the Buddha, he fell at his feet and started saying to him, forgive me, I had made a big mistake. I have insulted you. I have committed this great sin. Seeing all this, Gautam Buddha said to him, calm down. Tell me what's the matter. Who are you? When Gautam Buddha asked this, he was shocked. He was starting thinking how Gautam Buddha could forget me. He had insulted him. Thinking this, he asked Mahatma Buddha, I am the same disciple who insulted you yesterday and you forgot me so soon. We should leave the things of yesterday, whether it is good or bad. We should not think it again and again. I leave the past and go forward and so should all of us. Mahatma Buddha said to that discipline. The disciple was even more impressed after hearing these things of Mahatma Buddha and said to him, I will obey everything from today.